Welcome to Computer Education Unlocked channel. In today's video I will teach you how to install VMware Workstation on Linux Ubuntu. Let's start the video.
Press Ctrl-Alt-T to open the terminal. Sudo apt update. Enter. Type your login password. Enter. This command will update the distro package. Sudo apt upgrade. Enter. Press the Y. Enter. This command will update entire operating system. Sudo apt install -y build -essential. Enter. Type your login password. Enter. This command will update the packages of the repository that is in the build essential. Restart computer. I will download VMware Workstation. I will open the first website. Workstation 17 Pro for Linux. Download now. The download will start. Press Ctrl-Alt-T to open the terminal. cd download / Enter. To access the downloads folder. ls. This command is used to view the contents inside the downloads folder. I will copy the name of the VMware Workstation file inside the download folder. Then go to the terminal, type sudo bash and right-click paste the file name. VMware Workstation will be installed. Type the command shown on the screen. Enter. This command will download and install additional kernel module. Then I will open VMware Workstation. I accept. Next. Yes. Next. Yes. Next. If you have a license, you can enter with it. If not, you have to do a trial. Must authenticate with login and password. Finish. OK. If there is an update, click download and install. It will take some time to download. Must authenticate with login and password. Once downloaded, a box will open. Press enter to complete the update. Then I will open VMware Workstation. I accept. Next. Yes. Next. Yes. Next. If you have a license, you can enter with it. If not, you have to do a trial. Must authenticate with login and password. Finish. OK. VMware Workstation is up to date. Here you can install and use any operating system by creating a virtual system. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell button to get the latest video updates. If you have any questions or suggestions about the video, then comment.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.